Yesterday, Milan was hit by severe flooding after torrential rains caused the Seveso River to burst its banks. Neighborhoods in the north, especially Nagada, saw streets and underpasses submerged as water levels rose rapidly. Emergency services were stretched. Finn firefighters carried out more than 650 technical emergency operations across Lombardy. Schools were evacuated as a precaution, and in many areas roads became impassable, leaving vehicles stranded in floodwater. Transport was also heavily disrupted. Rail links in northern Italy were suspended, and Milan's metro service saw major interruptions. Repair crews worked through the night to restore infrastructure. In response, authorities have issued high weather alerts, warning residents to avoid underpasses, flood-prone areas, and to stay updated on emergency broadcasts. Though the waters are slowly receding, the damage is expected to be significant. Cleanup and assessments will continue through today as Milan begins to recover from the deluge.